Well, hedge fund manager Keith Meister, founder of Corvex Management, disclosed a 10% stake in Pandora and is urging the company to explore a sale. I'm joined now by Ron Orrell, a senior editor with The Deal, with me now from Washington. And Ron, you have a great story about this up on thestreet.com right now. Set the stage for us. Why does Meister want a sale here?
Well, Meister is one of top 20 activist hedge fund managers out there, and he thinks that Pandora is a good company. He says he really thinks it has a strong prospect, but he really thinks it would be better as part of a larger conglomerate of some sort, media conglomerate. He's obviously looking for a significant premium that would come in the stock price if a sale were forthcoming.
Now, what are the chances of a sale happening, and who would the potential buyers be? Are we talking about Apple here?
Apple actually is one of the names that a couple analysts I spoke to did mention. Keith Meister talked about internet platform companies, so that would be Apple, Amazon, for example. And he also talked about media conglomerates. Some analysts suggested to me John Malone's Liberty Media as a potential buyer, or its Live Nation Entertainment business. Some other ones, Less Movies, CBS. CBS is getting out of radio companies, so this could be a way for them to kind of keep access to radio content a little bit with the Pandora web streaming business. So there's a number of companies that analysts do acknowledge to me that say that they are very interested in buying Pandora, which fits with Keith Meister and the activist hedge fund's thesis on the company.
So if a sale doesn't go through, though, I mean, what do you think Meister is going to do? Is he going to lobby for other types of changes?
Keith Meister has a kind of a long history of escalating his campaigns with proxy fights and additional pressure. He used to work for Carl Icahn, the kingpin of activist hedge funds, or corporate raiders / activist hedge funds, where Keith Meister was participating in proxy contests to get directors elected. And since 2010, he's had his own fund, and he's launched 4 proxy contests and about, I think, 13 activist campaigns, and threatened additional proxy contests at other companies. He had a big success with this real estate investment trust that took a while, but he was able to change the board of REIT, Commonwealth REIT. So there's a March 3rd deadline for nominating directors for Pandora's 2017 annual meeting. So Keith Meister has not threatened the proxy contest here. He just wrote this, what we like to call poison pen type letter at Pandora, urging changes. But if the company doesn't start, launch a strategic review by March 3rd, expect that he probably will launch a proxy contest or something like that at that point.
All right, Ron Orrell, we'll continue to follow this. Thanks so much for coming by.
Thanks, Scott.
I'm Scott Gamm, and you're watching The Street.